Now, you will never be a Sky Warrior. No!
Getting closer every time, Wushu.
You look ridiculous. Ridiculously cool.
I am a disgrace to the Order of Sky Warriors.
The Sky Warriors?
I have invented my own martial art, and yet I cannot complete my own challenges.
I know I could be a Sky Warrior. What's a Sky Warrior again?
We fly through the skies, heroically defending the helpless.
Heroic helpers! Can I be on the team?
I'm heroic. Pick me! Pick me!
A true master must face their challenge alone.
Hold on, Wushu. How about you practice for your challenges by training us?
The way of the Sky Warrior is hard. She must...
Oh, yeah!
I'm excited.
Team hug!
Life is about balance.
I'll do duck lips and you just be yourself.
Whoa! Ooh.
It will be impossible to train you in the ways of the Sky Warrior. You are all so...
Cool.
Good looking?
undisciplined. Ugh.
Hey, Matteo. I think Wushu is a bit upset.
Huh, you don't say. Hey, Wushu, we're not perfect, but we have good hearts. I think your training is exactly what we need.
A Sky Warrior helps all people. Very well. Let the training begin! A Sky Warrior shows discipline. I can hear you, Jay.
Surprise!
A Sky Warrior is as silent as the shadows.
Oh.
I need the energy.
A Sky Warrior shows patience.
Can't quite... Whoa, that was really cool. Huh, these Velcro gloves are one of my most brilliant inventions!
A Sky Warrior finds true strength within.
Yeah.
Now, we must compete in the ultimate test. Only one of us can win a hero's glory as the first Sky Warrior.
Are there any rules for the obstacle course?
Go fast. Go alone. Go now!
Thanks for the hand up. I'm gonna win.
Got him!
And the crowds go wild as Cami prepares to grind her competition mercilessly into the dust.
Too slow! Ah!
This is not what I had in mind.
Well, things can't get any worse. It's worse.
Team J, helpless, just the way I like you.
Oh, we can pluck the zebra off the wall like a fat plum.
Who are you calling fat? Whoa!
Oh, this is all my fault. I failed as a Sky Warrior, and now there's a teacher too.
Wushu, all you did was get us to challenge ourselves. But working alone is not the answer. So let's remember, when are we strongest?
After a nice snack.
When we work together. It's team time!
Hand, paw, hoof. Go, Team J.
Release the claw.
Everyone, climb a rope! Thanks, Duke!
Here, Cami.
Gotcha.
Now, everybody, swing!
I'll unravel this team like my granny's knitting. Oh, they're moving too fast.
Just grab the donkey. He's right there.
Now, team, jump!
Oh.
Hey, what's up, my fine flying friend?
I drove our team apart by making us think only of ourselves. All for my own ambition of being a Grand Master.
Maybe this is the final lesson of your training.
Sky Warriors help, but they also need help.
Oh yeah, we're all Sky Warriors now.
We don't need to be Sky Warriors.
Huh?
There's a name that suits us even better.
Team
J!
What? What is this place? How did I get here? Is that a birthday cake? Well, perhaps a little nibble. Oh,
If it isn't my favorite meal.
Mildew!
Try some cake.
maybe later.
But I made it especially for you.
How sweet?
No, it's a little bitter because of all the worms I used. And frogs.
Frogs! Phew, that was a horrible nightmare. Hey guys, Matteo! Oh, here's his backpack. That's odd. He never goes anywhere without that. Cami's favorite football. Where are they? Seems quiet, maybe too quiet. What if they've been kidnapped? This calls for Detective J. Yo, Duke! Yes, get him. I entered with the stealth of a cat. The hamster they called Duke was nowhere to be found. Perhaps he had taken one last spin of the wheel. Yeah, it was bad luck to spill salt. Left a bad taste in the mouth. The bad, salty taste of crime. Only the famous detective... Only the famous detective... Well, only the famous Only Jay, the world's most famous detective, could solve this case. But all this solving had made him thirsty. Inside Guy's Pizzeria, the usual goons were plotting. I'd wipe the floor with them, but I didn't want to get the floor dirty.
Who you talking to, Jay?
Oh, no one. Don't mind me. The barkeep was playing dumb. I decided to tail the two most likely suspects.
Hi, Jay.
Petunia! Of all the pizza shops in this town, and you want to walk into mine.
Actually, I think this is the only pizza shop. Okay, well, see you later, Jay. Nice hat.
I knew I had to let her go. Some fillies were just trouble. Tailing Mildew and his evil sidekick, Hannibal, was as easy as shooting fish in a barrel. A barrel of slow, stupid fish. Hey, Matteo! I've been looking everywhere. Matteo? Matteo had not been kidnapped after all. The plot had thickened. Thickened like sour milk and turned into cheese. The lumpy, stinky cheese of suspicion.
Surprise! Happy birthday, buddy!
Guys, I thought you'd been kidnapped. Then I thought you didn't want to be my friends.
We wanted your birthday party to be a surprise.
Try some cake. No candles, the way you like it.
Aw, you remembered.
Happy birthday!
Mildew mold! It is I, Mildew mold! And my evil sidekick, Hannibal.
Sidekick! How very dare you!
Jay was so caught up playing detective, he didn't realize we were following him.
Following me? I was following you.
Fool! We were following you, following us.
Ha! I was actually following you, following me, following you.
We were following you, following us, following
Will you
you.
stop that?
You're going to tell me exactly how you use your team magic.
We could do that.
We put our hands together.
In a very specific order.
No cheating.
Like this.
I may have spotted a flaw in your plan.
It's team time.
Oh, I said no cheating.
Grand Master Power Strike! Would Bully like a cracker?
Picard!
Woohoo!
Since you crashed this party, how about a balloon ride?
You can't trap me. Wait till I zoom away.
Oh, this is the toughest spaghetti I ever ate.
Wait, I have a plan.
Hi-ya!
I'm Mildew. I have a plan.
Not
I don't sound like that.
you, sir, are the most incompetent villain I have ever had the displeasure of working with.
Great work, team.
How about a birthday team selfie?
Aw, guys. At last I had solved the case and discovered the truth. The spongy, yummy truth of friendship.
Who are you talking to there, Jay?
Hello, world! Check out my new tune. It's going to make me famous.
I go online. I see lots of things. I want to buy it. So I buy it. It's very easy.
song's brilliant. I'll play it for you live later.
Duke, are you gonna play football with us?
Can you hear
I can't
us?
hear you!
Stop listening to your music and join us.
I'm listening to music!
Take your earphones out.
I've got my earphones in!
Oh, forget it.
Ow! Why didn't you warn me?
We're going to fix the ball, and we'll be back in a few minutes.
Hey, you people! Listen to my hashtag Global Smash Mega Hits.
I've got lots of stuff, but I want more stuff. So I buy that stuff, and even more.
Lots of stuff.
Duke? What's happened?
Mina released a pop song that is turning everyone into zombies.
We've got to stop anyone else becoming a zombie.
Let's go!
Everything's ruined.
And all the ice cream is melting!
At least things can't get any worse.
Yes, they can.
Free concert starring me!
Quick, cover your ears! Come on, Duke!
I want this, I want that. Buy it, I buy it, buy it. I want this, I want that. Buy it, buy it,
I can hear the song!
buy it.
I have to down!
No, you can't. Oh, can't stop
I've got
my
lots of
hoops.
stuff, but I want more stuff.
Guys?
Buy it.
Mina!
I buy it, I'll buy it all now. I'll buy it all now for me.
Thank you! You all have such great taste!
Guys, talk to me! Most of the team are Mina's zombies. Mina! Hey, looky! Say, Jay, can you repeat after me? It's team time.
It's team time.
It worked! You're not zombies anymore!
You have shown surprising intelligence, shallow hamster.
Now I'm gonna put my song online so everyone in the world can enjoy it.
We can't let Mina get away with that song.
I'm working on it. Focus the magic on my go-kart.
Good thinking, buddy. I'm driving. Time to stop this pop princess. Bring her down, Duke.
Hey, yeah!
You'll never hit me!
The power of pizza!
No, not pineapple!
Yeah!
Who puts pineapple on a pizza?
Look what you've done to these people.
They love me, and they love my song. Hashtag zombie fans are the best fans. Everyone who hears my song is totally under my control.
I'm gonna pull a plug on this zombie pop.
Hurry, Matteo.
No!
Fight it, buddy. I got you covered.
I don't really need it. Hashtag I have a pony, I need some. But I really want it.
Oh, Team J! You'll never win! These zombies can't help themselves. Whatever. All I have to do is upload my song and everyone will become hashtag Mina zombies.
We can't let that upload finish!
I'm on it.
Yeah!
No, my song! Oh! Wait, where are you going? Come back! I want this, I want that. Buy it, buy it, buy it! Adore me!
5 ice creams, please?
The ice cream melted. How about 5 milkshakes?
Cool. It's basically the same.